Borgergade 10 in Copenhagen. Generic. Just standard. Pretty boring. No floor indicator and still indoors. Fucking shit. Built in 1943 by Thrige 06499. Modernized by Elecom. It doesn't say the year of modernization. Fifth floor. These autos were amazing performances. Pipers saw 325 kilograms. Inspected by QI inspector, maintained by Köln. No, not Köln. Hey, maintained by Elecom, I think. Ground floor. This has floor indicator in buttons. Put in 43 06498. 3 pairs saw 225 kilograms strange capacity. Fifth floor. I'm Modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Operators changed Sage Elecom. I think these are ThyssenKrupp and maintained by Elecom or something. So. Okay, that's